What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get BullX Neo access code. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's cut right to the chase. Now, BullX Neo access codes are given to the BullX partners to share with their audiences. So if you guys want, you can use my access code from the description below, and that way you also get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts on BullX Neo. So it's simple as that guys, you need to find a BullX partner and get their access code to access BullX Neo platform. You can just go to the description below and simply copy paste the access code into your Telegram BullX Neo chat. From there, once you paste over your access code, you will get this message right here prompting you to log in into your BullX Neo account. So that's guys how you can get an access code for BullX Neo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.